Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you're all having the most wonderful day today. Today I'm feeling really rather tired. I don't know why, but I think the weather's so changeable and it's raining one minute, it's beautifully sunny the next, so I think it's playing havoc with my mood. But I was out shopping today and I did go to Poundland. Love Poundland. I don't know if you guys have seen Poundland have changed a lot of things recently. They have all pricing is actually on, well, most of the pricing is on their packaging, which I really like. I think it's much easier to find out what things cost. They haven't fully transitioned over yet, but they have tons of homeware. It's become more like a little mini supermarket than Poundland. There's very few things you guys know that you get for £1 or less than £1. But I think I picked up a number of them. But I'm going to show you guys anyway. So didn't have to buy a bag because I remembered to bring my reusable donut bag, which I really loved. And I bought from Poundland the last time I was there because I really do like it. So I'm going to pull this off to the side because there is a lot to go through in this bag. So I'm just going to pull them out as we go along and show you guys. So the first thing that I got was this in Necto. I don't even know how to say this, naturals. But this is a curl club. It's an all-in-one curl activating spray. It has shea butter, coconut, and castor oils. I love the pink package and I thought it was super cute. I don't have curly hair, but two of my nieces do have curly hair. And I bought this to see if it would work on one of their hairs. And if it does, I'm going to buy another one so that they can have this little curl activator. Thought this wasn't too bad. It was only £3 and I love the packaging. You get 200 mils in it and I don't think that's bad for £3. So if that works, I'm going to go back and get a second one. The next thing, so random. Bought myself a tin of Pepsi and I bought this tin of Pepsi so I could drink it when I was there. These are multi-pack ones. I don't know if that makes any difference, but they were 50p. I thought that was good. I meant to drink it when I was out, but I didn't actually get around to it, and that's okay because I will. The next thing that I bought, and you can see that I kind of crushed it in the container, but it's fine. I bought this palm olive up. It's upcycled citrus peel. I'm really not sure what that means, but it's peach blossom scented shower gel. I love citrus scented shower gel. Oh, it actually gives you an explanation on the back. It says that when I grew up, I became a juice. It wasn't until I met Palm Olive that saved, I can't even read some of that. Oh, they saw that there will still goodness in me. There was still goodness in me, but part of me felt useless. They took the leftover citrus peel and created a beautiful scent of me. Oh, so that's perfect. This used to be once I was a fruit, so it's pretty neat. It smells so good. I don't know if you guys do this, but I do. Every time I go into a shop, I always open it and smell the shower gel because I like nice citrusy scents. So that's pretty awesome. It says I'm made of sugarcane. So this is a palm olive shower gel scrub. And it is peach blossom scented, and it definitely is peach blossom citrus scented. Really nice. This was only £1, which I thought was a really good price. Sorry, I'm struggling to kind of like lean over some things. I purchased quite a lot of things. I purchased these eyelashes. They're 30 pieces. They're number 6. They were £1. They do come with the glue, which is awesome. They're all the same length. The length doesn't differ. And they're the little side, they're just the small eyelashes to go on the side of your eye. I'm really terrible at putting eyelashes on. I really have never been good at it, but I have a wedding to go to in July and I would really like to, I'd really like to test these out and see if I can I only need them for one use. So I bought the pack so that I could test them out and see if I could use them. I thought for £1, if they don't work, they don't work. And I'm totally fine with doing my own makeup. I mean, I'm totally fine not putting the eyelashes on, but I just thought it would give an extra little I don't know, style to my eyelids if I was able to. If I don't, I mean, I really haven't lost a whole lot of money. But the next thing that I bought were these skin treats. These skin treats were £1 a face mask. And I love these. I've used these before. They're really, really nice. And the scent is to die for. I really like them because they're vegan friendly. And they have not been tested on any animals. So that's always a big, massive bonus. So I bought 5 at £1 each. So £5 for the 5. And I don't mind that. I think that they're pretty decent. So these are super soothing, super food sheet masks. Nearly got that out. So we got the blueberry, my favorite. We got the mango. We got the kiwi. Not so much my favorite. Coconut, I love. And pomegranate, I also love. So I bought 5 of those. I also bought, I just want to show you guys what I got that isn't kind of household. And then I'll show you what I got for household. So I also bought, this is my second purchase of this. And every single one that I saw had been were like this. They hadn't been opened, but you can see that the sticky plastic is a bit garbaged. I don't know. I hate this material that they have on top. I would really rather prefer that it wasn't there, but it's about the look more than anything. And this is just an eyeshadow palette. It's little, I believe it's quad. It is a quad. It comes with the little mirror right here. And then you can see the little mirror right here. And then we've got the eyeshadows. This color I don't tend to use, but the other 3 I do. I love this for a really like glittery, smoky eye. It lasts quite a bit of time for it only being a £1 palette. But in the pan, I mean, you're not getting a ton of product. But for me, I use it sparingly, so it's pretty good. And I do like the little compact. Like I said, I just don't like this stuff that they've put on top because it falls off. Can you hear it? It falls off. So I really rather wish that they didn't put this on, but I can understand why they did. So £1. And then guys, I could not help myself. I bought this beautiful Blossom Pearl White Clay face mask. It is a mud beauty mask. So you put it on, leave it on for 20 minutes and then wipe it off. The reason that I bought it was because look how cute this is. And I don't actually think I'm going to keep this. I think I'm going to put this in a little gift pack. It's a purifying clay mask. I prefer the sheet masks, but how could you not buy this adorable little face mask for £1? It's in the shape of a fan. It's Disney, Mulan. And I loved the little character right here. I love over here where you get the dragon. I'm a real big fan of dragons and I love the tassel. So I couldn't help myself but buy that because it is too adorable. And then guys, so before we just get into the rest of the household item, I'm going to show you something else that I bought. So I purchased this. So this is the new packaging or the new way that they, Pep & Co. Home want to have their, well, I guess this is kind of a household item, but this is kind of how they are doing their packaging. So they've got all of the prices here in all of the denominations, all down the side. This was £1. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's not really sharp, but this was £1.40 and it's for your cotton buds. I thought it was very adorable because I usually keep my cotton buds in the packet that they came in. I don't really make a fuss of them and keep them in a drawer, but I thought it would be really nice to have them out. I've bought this type of plastic acrylic kind of stands before, so I thought this would match perfectly. So I'm really happy that I got this for £1.40, and I think it's really cute. The lid does come off to allow you to put your pads in. What I couldn't get in Pep & Co. were the pads. So when I was shopping, today, I also called into Lidl and I picked up their CN 140 double-sided pads. These are 100% cotton and they're soft and gentle. And I use their pads, their cleaning pads, all the time. And these were only 89p, which is pretty decent because I think they're even £1 in Poundland. So I don't think we did too bad. I'm just going to open these. So I wanted to show you guys what they looked like. And I think these ones might actually be maybe a little too small. But I wanted to show you guys what it looked like when it was all put together. I'm not taking these out very delicately at all. But you just get your pads, take your lid off, pop the pads in like this. I'm just going to fill it up to the top. It's better. Just push these up to the top to help me out a little better so that I'm not straining to get them. And then maybe, I don't know, maybe about this many more pads if I can get them out. So, yep, that fills it perfectly. And then just put your little lid on. We still have just under half a pack of the little pads left, which is good. And then when you're using them, you just pop one from the bottom and pull it right out. I don't want to waste it, so I'm going to put it right back in again. But, I mean, I think that's pretty neat. I think it's really, really cute. And it's a good way to have your cleansing pads on hand right away. And for £1.40 for the little unit and less than £1 for the pads, I think that's pretty nice. So super happy with that. Everything else that I purchased is kind of for my kitchen. I'm trying to, you know when you have like, I'm just going to move this bag off because it's now emptied of all the things, all the things I bought from Poundland. I kind of wanted to refit, I guess, my kitchen and my kitchen utensils. They are, like my forks, knives, things like that are getting older. But I had taken the bus into town today, so I had to be very careful about what I could carry home. And guys, actually, just while we're talking, I'm going to drink my juice because I think this is the perfect opportunity. Cheers, everybody. So I kind of wanted to do a refresh on my utensils, my bowls and things like that. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. Oh, I also bought cocktail sticks because I love making, and these were only 80p, which I think is good. I love how they do this with their packaging because I really get frustrated when I go into shops and they don't have the price on the unit, so you can't actually see it. And the item usually don't have the price on it too. So I find that a little frustrating. So I'm loving at the moment what Pep & Co are doing with their home style kind of things. So it's pretty awesome. But I love making my own I can't even remember what they're called. They're kind of like burritos. And sometimes when I'm cooking them in the oven, I need to put a cocktail stick through them just to keep them intact while they cook and harden on the outside. So I thought that was great for a £500 pack, but let me show you what else I got. So I bought a pack of 4 teaspoons. Oh, there's 4. I thought there was 3, so that's good. 4 teaspoons. They are 75p or €80. And there are 4 of them. And I like this little plain but decorative bit at the back. So I'm really happy that I got those. I also got 4 forks, and I am going to go back and get more of these because I need more than 4 teaspoons and I need more than 4 forks and I need more than 4 knives. So I am just over the next coming months, I am going to replace all of my current ones that I've had for probably about 10 years. I'm going to replace them all with all of these Pep & Co home ones because they are pretty sturdy and I do like them. So these are the forks, and I like how nice and I don't know, they're kind of like slimline. So I really like that. And they were £1.25. And when I get more, I build up more of these things, I will show you guys. And again, 4 knives. Again, same pattern. There's more of a distinct pattern here on these ones than there are here, but I think because there's more surface on this one, but they are exactly the same pattern. So I'm happy with that. And again, $1.25 for 4 knives, I think is really, really good. Then these. So they have dinner sets and they're all black. And I know I'm not one for buying really expensive dinner sets because a lot of my bowls get chipped a lot and often. But I bought these because I thought they would be great ramen bowls. And then when I got home, I actually thought to myself, no, I want to replace. I currently have probably about 16 bowls in my current my cupboard, but none of them match. You know, they're those mismatched ones you kind of build up over the year. One breaks and you keep it, and then you buy a new set, and then you have, so it's kind of like that. you know, couple match, but I don't have a full set. So I'm going to replace all of my plates, all of my bowls, all of my little sandwich saucers, all of my utensils, all of my knives, forks, and spoons. Oh, I didn't get the big spoons in those. That's what I actually meant when I picked when I went that day, but I will pick those up the next time. So anyway, I'm going to replace all of my dishware with this gorgeous black because I think it kind of like suits what I like. It's plain black. They're quite hefty bowls. What I loved about these bowls were that they were £1.25 a bowl, which I think is good. Now I know I could probably go and get a dinner set for about £20-30, but I really like these. I like that they are dishwasher safe. I like that they are microwavable safe, and I just like the style of them. They look to me a little bit like Oriental, Japanese, traditional ramen bowls, and I kind of like that sort of style. So I was super ecstatic. I mean, I only bought two. I am going to go back and get the remainder. I may have to buy them in a couple at a time. But again, totally fine with that. And I don't mind that at all. And then the last thing that I bought was a new, because I needed one. It's a new oven glove. It is 16 by 90 centimeters and it was £3, which I think is fantastic. And it's double quilted, which is really, really good. The one we currently have is getting a little tatty, getting a little old. I mean, I might put this away for a couple of more months, just while the other one is definitely ready to throw out. But how cute is that? And I think I'm definitely going for more black, white, grey in my cutlery ware, in my bowls. I mean, I love these black bowls. Although I was out in Home Bargains recently and I did buy some white bowls. I bought 4. Those white bowls were £1.50 a bowl. And they're more of a squarish bowl. No, not a square. They are. They're more of a square bowl. But I really like those too. So I may have black and white. I don't know. But I'm definitely going to go and get more of these. At least another 4. So that I have 6. Maybe another 6 of these. So I have plenty. Just in case I need to replace them. But that's everything that I bought in Poundland today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for being here, if you're still here to the end of the video. Please, if you can, kindly like this video and subscribe. Those things really do help with the algorithm inside of YouTube, and I am always so eternally grateful. I genuinely am thankful that you're still here. I want to say thank you so much. I hope you have a nice day. Please stay safe, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.